How to make a Pinterest board. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can make a Pinterest board. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first off, make sure you have updated the Pinterest app, and after you've done so, go ahead and then simply launch the Pinterest app. And once you launch the Pinterest application over here, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. You can see multiple pins and boards that other people has also created. In order to create your own board and add some pins to it, just tap on the plus icon from the bottom, and here you'll find the option that says board. So just go ahead and then tap on the board option as well. And as soon as you tap on the board option, just go ahead and then enter the name for your board. So I'll just go ahead and then give it a simple name, and you can also add some collaborators if you want. If you want to make this board private, this means that whichever pins you add later on to this board, all of those pins is going to remain private, and for that you can keep this board secret and turn on the toggle. But if you want the general public to view your board and all those pins inside it, you can make it public and then just tap on the next button over here. As you do so, you can go ahead and simply try to choose a different name, and then as you've done that, tap on the next button on the top right, and just like that you can add some pins to this specific board. So just go ahead and select the pins that you would like to add to this board and tap on the done button from the top right hand side of the screen. And that's all it takes to make a Pinterest board. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.